My name's Charlotte Slater and I'm a Business Development Manager for Equans in our urban energy sector of our business.
I'm Francis Quatting. I'm Head of Temporary Works for Equans PNC.
I'm Candice De Bartolo. I'm a Senior Energy Engineer with Equans. I'm part of Urban Energy and the Concept Design team.
Urban Energy is the district energy part of the Equans business in the UK. District energy is basically like what you have in your home. So you'd have a boiler in your house that heats up water, pumps it around your house in a network of pipes, but we just do that on a huge scale. So I'm responsible for all the business development for the Olympic Park District Energy Scheme. We currently have about 5,000 residential customers on the Olympic Park with about 70 commercial customers. One of my roles is to try and decarbonise that network in East London. We're looking at different decarbonisation projects, so looking at taking heat from the canals that run around the Olympic Park. We're also looking at taking some of the heat out of the tube network. We're also looking at solar thermal, so taking the heat from the sun to heat up water and put that into the network as well. So we've got lots of different cool opportunities coming up.
Temporary Works, in my role as Temporary Works, is an engineered solution that allows the permanent works to be constructed. So Temporary Works includes items such as scaffolding, propping, ground support, haul roads, signage, site cabin foundations, and all sorts of other equipment that enable the permanent works to be constructed. My other role, which is that of a designated individual, in my role, I'm responsible for the identification, training, and appointment of temporary works coordinators and temporary works supervisors.
I've worked for Equans for a year now, and I've got 7 years of experience in the energy industry. I design low-carbon technologies to provide affordable, reliable, and low-carbon energy supplies to homes and businesses.
From a very young age, I always liked breaking and fixing things. So I thought perhaps one of the things for me to do would be to get into engineering. So I ended up doing, obviously, my A-levels. I did physics, chemistry, maths, studied civil engineering in university for 4 years. And then once I'd finished university, worked for various organizations. And throughout my career, I've had the opportunity of working on some of the most prestigious contracts across the country, including contracts such as Tideway Tunnel, which is currently Europe's largest water infrastructure project.
After my A-levels, I wasn't sure what to do. I knew I was interested in physics and chemistry, so I started looking online if there was any potential course I could be interested in. I found a course in chemical engineering, and I thought that would be perfect for me to keep building on the knowledge and skills I acquired from high school, so I decided to apply to it. Now, putting everything into perspective, I realize that being an engineer, it's a lot about soft skills as well, communication skills, creativity and innovation to ultimately create the best solution for your clients.
I got into engineering just by chance, really. I didn't really know what engineering was, and I started studying it in 2011. I really thoroughly enjoyed my whole degree. So I was at university for about 5 years where I did various different modules across different subjects, and the ones that I was specifically interested in were energy, which is how I ended up in what I'm doing now. And I also got to do a master's project in Germany where I looked at recycling batteries from electric vehicles. So those electric vehicle recycling plants are now rolled out across Germany. And yeah, I thought it was quite a cool project to be involved in just as a student.
My advice to young women who are interested in becoming engineers, don't let anybody tell you that you can't do it. You absolutely can. It's all about believing in yourself and putting your mind to it, and you absolutely can. Work hard, enjoy the subjects that you do, but as long as you're focused on engineering and what you want to do, you can always become an engineer.
So if you're interested in maths or physics or even chemistry or even art and design, then engineering is definitely something you could get into. There's so many different opportunities with engineering and for engineers, and it opens so many doors.
A key message for you today is that if you are concerned for the environment and the main challenges in modern society, that you want to make a difference, then you should definitely consider a career in engineering. Together, we can break stereotypes about engineering and start attracting females to the industry. I truly believe that having more female engineers will bring in fresh ideas and new concepts, which is what engineering is all about. So together, we can change this. Your career starts now.